Hello there. This is for Computer Science 130. This is the final for the video portion of part 2. So here's the code for M4-10 underscore snapdat. So we start out with a clear all and a clear command window. Read in the table, R equals read table. And then we go into the input function. So we have this split into two, C1, C2, and C3 and C4. Sorry about that. So we have an if statement. This basically is just the bonus part where if it equals this, continue. If it doesn't, try again. It's never a fixed loop. All the way down here. So we have our X input, Y input, both as strings. The second one is going to be for the C3 and C4, split into two. And then the fixed loop is mentioned. Yeah. Oh no. Sorry about that. So let me go down to, here's the C3 and C4 one. OP select, which wasn't needed, as well as this. So we plot both of them. One is blue and one is green with the requested line width and the styles. We have an if loop for the X label. If it's pressure, the C1, Q is pressure, and if it's T, time. I'm doing that a lot. We have the same thing for the Y label. Of course, we only do this once, unless we did a subplot. Come down here, we have our outside function. So if it equals T1 and V1 or T1 and P1, find the average. Function looks like this. Find average, input the C and the R. Average equals mean of that. Of course, plot that as a Y line. One is red and one is black. No average shown if it's like a time versus time, though this is still shown because it is useful. Sorry. Then we have this additional plot data. So it starts at 5 minutes and then 5 plus 15 times whatever the second value of like C2. So let's say P2. 2 minus 1 times 15 plus 5. Same thing for the second function. And then, of course, all the average. Add title. And while we're at it, we'll do a grid on. So once again, here are the functions. And I shall demonstrate this real fast. So if we do T1, and let's say we mess up, do B1, it's going to say error on T2, so we're meant to do P1. So then second one, T8 and P8. Apparently I have something up already. Ta-da. So we have our legend here, blue, P1 versus P1 at 5 minutes, T8 versus P8 110, average of P1 and average of P8. So there it is.